Well, we tried to extend the awning today, and so to cool off up here in Wisconsin, it's about in its 70s. It's nice and cool. We had the windows open, so I didn't know that this awning had been giving us some problems. Dina said the awning had been acting up a little bit when we extended it and taking it in. So when I extended it out, she hollered at me and said, no, don't. So as we did, you can see I have issues. As this thing was coming out, it was coming out of the actual portion up here that holds it in, and it allows it to extend. So we do have a warranty, but finding somebody that will come out here to fix it and do it on the warranty may be a problem. So what it may have to do, in my opinion, is what we may have to do is we have to push this in, if we can get it in, push this all the way in and somehow secure it to the top until we can take it somewhere to let somebody try to fix it, or just try to remove it until we can get it fixed. It's a mess though, because it's too long to put up underneath the RV. So we're not sure what's going to happen, but it's just, you know, it is an issue, and we're kind of helpless right now until we can get the RV tech to come out here and do it. We'll let you know what happens. This was not supposed to be my video for Sunday. I had another video in mind. We were going to take the dog over to the quarry, show you where they have a dog park swim in. We still may do it, but this is definitely an issue we have to address. Can't drive down the road with it like this, not even if we put the slide in. So we don't know what we're going to do yet. I wish I'd have used we taped this beforehand, but it was not pleasant to do, and we trying to hold the camera and everything got in the way. But what it was, the actual if you see, this thing came out from up there where it was tucked in all the way down. So we're gonna have to get it put back in and readjusted. But what we have now is we're gonna take and get this thing pushed up and heavy zip tied up here, and that'll allow us to travel with it like that until we can go somewhere, get it fixed, because getting somebody to come out is almost impossible. Well, it is where we are anyway. So we're going to go and get some zip ties and see if we can't find something to maybe make it a little easier for me to pull up on that side and her side also, or either get somebody with a truck.
And ladies, next time you notice something is not right with your RV, be sure that you tell your husband more than once, because I only told him once that it was messed up and we needed to not bother it again, let it out again until we got to Red Bay.
Well, I
wasn't. Hear me.
I saw that it was not completely out, but I didn't see that we couldn't use the awning. That's what the thing is. She saw something I didn't see, but it amounts to it. And that's where we are. But anyway, we're gonna get it fixed. We got a warranty, but the way it is, if you call a mobile repair guy out with this warranty, or any warranty really, they've got to come out, give me an estimate, call the people and tell them, hey, this is what it'll cost. They have to take it to their whoever claims guy. He's got to approve it before he can go ahead and go with it. So, you know, I don't like that. You know, they have to make 2 trips basically. So I don't know. We're gonna figure it out.
we can do it with 2x4s, to be honest.
You're the man.
Gotta make sure you give it the right spot. Ready?
Try. Get your hand off of that.
Oh, keep going. Keep going.
We're gonna have to get one of us. We're gonna have to get on the truck and hold it steady, and then I'll try it with the 2x4 too.
Okay.
Somebody can push in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on a minute. Let me roll that back
It's
up.
heavy.
It's very heavy. Let me roll it back up.
Okay.
Back up. Back up.
If you pull them both down at the same time, I don't know how.
Okay, well.
Yeah, I wish there was a way for us to go up there and see if we could pass that.
I mean, do we know for sure once we do this, you can stay? I don't know how we're
We're
going
going to zip
We're
tie.
gonna zip tie. We're gonna zip tie that top bar. See that one just got those notches in it around the outside of this bar.
If we can.
If we can. I mean, it won't hold it all the way in, but
The
it'll
problem
hold
is
it.
where that sits is this channel's in the way.
Yeah, but if you put it around that slot and around the outside of this thing, it should hold it up. It'll be about that much, around there. I just don't. I agree with you. Oh. It's not going to hold that right. There it is. Now go all the way around.
Wait a minute. It's twisted. Let me untwist.
Now, do it as tight as you can do it. Joe, push on it just a little bit when you do it.
Let me...
Both towards you.
That's me?
And then
Now zip tight.
Okay, I got you.
Okay, now it's got to come out a little bit because it can't go right up against there.
Why?
Because there's nothing to go under there with. Now, hold on a minute, Joe. Let me get this slider up there and zip tie this. Now zip tie this and then we can go and reinforce it later if we can. Hold on a minute, Joe.
Okay, now as quick as I can. Okay. So, man, you see, I can't even get my foot through right there.
What?
I'm talking to the people about how you think you could get up here and there is no room. See? That's what I tried to tell him. Okay.
on top, and she tied that zip tied the awning together. We put 3 on this side, zip tied, and we just finished clipping those off, those 3 on that side. And also she zip tied the awning all the way across the top, so at least now we can get it to the dump to dump our tanks, and we can not have to worry about it flopping out, hopefully. You can see it's zip tied across there, and it came out across there. Well, as you could see, we had awning problems. The awning had been giving us problems for a while, but and Dina had told me not to roll it in, but I didn't understand not to roll it out, and I didn't understand exactly why. So I thought it was just that particular day, so I went to roll it out, and it came loose from the RV, and all but a little slither, and then we had to go up there and basically get it to come loose all the way so we could adequately store it to drive the RV. We tried everything to get people to come out and mobile, and a lot of them were very helpful on the phone, but nobody could come out and fix it. So finally today we tried 2 or 3 different ways, and you see in the video, but finally Joe, where we're staying here, thought of a way with one of these come-alongs, and him pushing on the other side, and we got it and zip tied it up, and I hope now it will manage to stay long enough for us to dump at the sewer plant maybe on Monday, and also to get it down to somewhere to get it fixed before long. So we'll be letting you know how it goes, but man, what a job. And it up here in Wisconsin, it's fairly hot and humid today, and so it was a job to do. But hope you enjoyed the video, and let us know if you've had the same issues and how you handled it in the comments. And we'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to this channel and give us a thumbs up if you like it, or a thumbs down if you don't. And we'd really appreciate it just to leave a comment in there and let us know if you've had this issue before. Have a good day. Maggie does not want Dina to ride anything that she's not wanting to ride with her. No! Come on! Come on, Maggie! Come on, Maggie! Come on! She wants to ride. I'll get her off.